Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you another cake recipe that's favorite in my family. It's Palmiers Cookie Cake. This recipe is super convenient because you can either buy Palmiers cookies or make them yourself in advance. So let's get started. Here's what you'll need. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of cream cheese, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, all to taste, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until smooth and well combined. Next, prepare about 13 ounces of Palmiers cookies and chop up 1 ripe banana and set them aside. You can use any fruit or berry you like. Then line a cake pan with enough clean wrap so that it hangs over the sides by a few inches. I am using an 8-inch cake pan. Now we're ready to assemble the cake. Start by spreading a thin layer of cream frosting at the bottom of the pan. Then alternate layers of cookies with layers of cream frosting, adding chopped banana in between. Repeat until you reach the top of the pan, ending with a layer of cookies. Cover and refrigerate overnight. Once the cake has chilled, carefully unmold it onto a plate or tray. For the finishing touch, melt 4 ounces of dark chocolate in the microwave. Drizzle the melted chocolate over the cake. And for extra flair, add some fresh berries on top. Feel free to decorate it however you like. And that's it. Your Palmiers cookie cake is ready to serve and enjoy. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.